Practical Strategies 5. Sharing collections. If we design products with a long lifespan, we can reduce their environmental impact. This is difficult, however, as it goes against the principles of capitalism. A rebuttal of capitalism means shifting economic standards from quantity to quality, and if goods can be used long-term or repaired easily rather than simply being discarded, product sales will inevitably decrease. The capitalists fear that a decline in product sales will lead to a decline in living standards is the root cause of the imminent environmental crisis, and it must be recognized that if the current system continues, it will damage all humankind. To overcome the environmental crisis, we must find a way to do so without compromising our living standards. Among the assorted ways in which we can reduce unnecessary production while increasing access to essential goods and services, one option is the adoption of sharing. Various means of sharing can significantly reduce the need to produce material goods and at the same time boost our access to them. Sharing resolves the seemingly intractable challenge of making more goods available with significantly less waste without abolishing notions of private property. This philosophy can also be applied to art, and we can rise to these challenges through active sharing of the long-term assets commonly known as art collections. Collections represent tangible evidence of humankind's activities and environment, and our products are relatively guaranteed quality indefinitely preserved from damage, destruction, or loss. Through the proper assessment of art, we can greatly reduce unnecessary production while enhancing overall access. Furthermore, we can explore the possibility of rejuvenating existing assets and what measures are necessary to ensure sustainable future production. On this basis, we review the feasibility of productivism in the field of art and prepare the foundations needed to support changes in the museum system, such as creation funds, mandatory art quotas for new building projects, and so on. Endless production is incompatible with a finite and fragile environment, and we must separate ourselves from the fallacy of growth or death.